In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines in Adobe Express. Whether you're an aspiring artist, designer, or someone who's just looking to explore new digital drawing tools, Adobe Express provides an engaging and user-friendly platform to express your creativity. Let's dive right in and explore how you can draw lines with ease. Start by opening Adobe Express and look for the plus or add button. Clicking this will give you a range of options, but for our purposes today, you'll want to select Drawing. Doing this opens up a drawing canvas, creating a space where your creativity can flow freely. Picture this as your digital drawing board, where anything is possible. Once you're in drawing mode, you'll find the brush panel. Here, you have the flexibility to adjust the size of your brush. This choice affects how your line will appear. Perhaps you want a delicate, thin line, or maybe you're aiming for something bold and striking with a thicker line. Take a moment to experiment with various brush sizes to find what suits your project. The brush panel also lets you choose the color you want to work with. Whether you're going for a classic black line or a bright, vibrant hue, selecting a color is crucial for bringing your vision to life. After you've settled on your brush size and color, it's time to draw. Use your mouse, stylus, or even your finger, depending on the device you're working on. Each tool offers a different feel and level of control, so play around to see what feels most natural for you. As you draw your line, don't worry about perfection just yet. Here's a nifty feature Adobe Express offers to help you enhance your lines and shapes: the Snap to Shape tool. Once you've drawn your rough line, try pressing and holding at the end of your stroke. Adobe Express will recognize what you've drawn and snap it into a perfectly straight line. This feature is incredibly useful for achieving precision and is a fantastic tool for those who want their work to have a polished, professional look. But that's not all the Snap to Shape tool can do. It works for basic shapes too. If you've ever tried to draw a perfect circle or rectangle freehand, you know how challenging this can be. With the Snap to Shape tool, just sketch your circle or rectangle as best as you can, hold at the end, and watch as Adobe Express transforms it into the flawless shape your design needs. Now you've got the basics down for drawing lines in Adobe Express. With these skills, you're on your way to creating stunning drawings with precision and style. Thanks for tuning in, and happy drawing!